Hello Nora, we did all the necessary things in the previous sessions. I hope you have practiced well. Anyway, let's render the video. In this part, you should determine the quality of the video. I usually use good quality. The higher the quality you choose, the longer the rendering time. Frames per second refers to the number of images we see in every second of an animated sequence or movie. If the FPS is set too low, the animation will look choppy, as though the individual frames are being shown to us one by one. 30 frames per second is a good number. Finally, determine the animation render size. It is better to render some different frames of the video randomly before rendering the movie. If you know how to work with editing and retouching software, you can render the whole video as a JPG in the same way. Estimate the approximate rendering time. Multiply the number of video frames by this time. If your rendering time is long, it's better to go back to the effects page and delete a series of effects that have increased the rendering time, like precipitation, reflection, global lighting, and fog.